how to get or how to find your DoorDash tax forms. Now, at the very beginning of your account creation, specifically from the Dasher app or to a Dasher account or a payable account, you should be able to receive one of those requirements, such as the tax forms, will be redirected to the email address that you use in DoorDash. If it's not receiving on your end, you just have to check under your spams on the email address that you have used, or if not, your last resort is to go ahead and contact their customer support to request a new one. Now, from the Dasher application, just head over directly to your Me tab right here, which is located at the lower right portion of your DoorDash app. Then just simply scroll down till you find the option that says Chat with Support, and in there just simply let them know that you did not receive any tax forms. Now, the other thing that you can do is to go ahead and send a separate email to mxsupport@doordash.com. Now, have all your account information, such as your account details from the payable account that you have registered or signed up, and then let them know that you did not receive the tax form, so you will be getting a new one. So that is how you find or you get your DoorDash tax forms.